Welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off personalized ads on your iPhone. Now this specific iPhone is the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and just about any iPhone should have the same functioning settings. So reason you might want to turn off personalized ads is if you do not want Apple tracking your data and also tracking how you interact on the web. So what I'm going to do is show you how we can turn that off right now by going into the settings to start. And the second step we will take is go ahead and scroll down until we see a section down here called privacy and security. We're going to go ahead and select that next. And then we're going to just go ahead and scroll all the way down towards the very bottom of the following screen until we go ahead and get to Apple advertising. We want to go ahead and select this option next, and then you're going to see one single toggle option for on and off for personalized ads. Now, it does tell you that turning off personalized ads will limit Apple's ability to deliver relevant ads to you, but will not reduce the number of ads you receive. So keep in mind, this doesn't stop ads from coming through. It simply stops personalized ads from coming through to you. So you simply just toggle this off, and then moving forward, Apple is not collecting your data to create personalized ads for you. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys, and if so, feel free to give me a thumbs up on this video. Have an amazing day and take care.